Chairman.
But yeah, go ahead, Senator,
Chairman,
Senator
with indulgence
Tolentino.
of Senator Tulfo and the Honorable Chair, just a point of order. Why don't we allow Colonel Malinaw to complete the narrative? Yung last 2 minutes na fast forward mo. Nasaan ngayon si Catherine Camilon? Nasaan si Major De Castro? Pangatlo, ano ng status ng kaso? Tapusin mo lang yan para for purposes of the records of this committee. Yung tatlo lang yan.
Yes, sir.
Mabilisan na yan. Wag mo nang step by step lahat
Yes, sir.
yung kanina.
I'll just go
And then
directly to
please provide the committee a copy of your presentation to complete the loop.
Yes, sir. We'll
Thank you.
comply, sir.
Please proceed.
We'll go directly to the date of the filing of the case, sir.
Ano si Catherine ngayon? Wag mo nang yung timeline, wag na yan.
Yes, sir. The November 3 testimony of the two witnesses, sir, that was the last time the body of Catherine was seen being transferred from a Nissan Juke into a red CRV.
So hindi na siya nakikita pa hanggang
Yes,
ngayon?
sir. That was from the testimony of the two
Okay.
witnesses.
Nasaan na si Major De Castro?
Major De Castro, sir, was dismissed last January 13, if I'm not
Dismissed from the
mistaken.
service.
Yes, sir.
So
He's at large now, sir.
civilian na siya at large.
Yes,
Anong
sir.
status na ng kaso? May
The
na-file na
case,
kayo?
sir, is presently with the regional state prosecutor for A, based in San Pablo, after we filed a motion for inhibition for the Batangas Provincial Prosecutor's Office to inhibit from handling the case, sir. It was approved, sir, by the Batangas Prosecutor's Office and transferred to the regional level of the DOJ RSP, sir.
Sandali, Senator Tol, bakit kayo nag-request na mag-inhibit yung prosecutor?
Yes, sir. Based on our consultation with the family, and because the counsel of Jeffrey Magpantay is a former prosecutor of Batangas Prosecutor's Office
I get the
and a
point.
retired judge, at parating nandun, sir, sa Prosecutor's
Okay, thank
Office. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So missing, with the permission of Senator, your chairman, your honor, missing si Catherine,
Yes, sir.
at large si Major De Castro,
Yes, sir.
pending ang kaso.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Senator,
Yes, go ahead,
Tolentino.
Senator Tulfo.
I'm very familiar of this case, Mr. Chair, kasi lumapit sa akin yung relatives after the incident. Numising pa lang, tinutukan ko to. Now, i-continue ko po yung line of questioning ko. Nasa inyo yung custody nitong si Major as a primary suspect. Tama? Ang ginawa nyo, pre-process nyo yung kanyang dismissal proceedings. At nung ma-dismiss siya, natural, pakakawalan nyo siya. Ngayon, nagtatago na. Ang pinagtataka ko, mas inuna nyo na ma-dismiss siya kaysa naman magkalap pa kayo ng mga additional evidence while he was in custody of the PNP. Minadali nyo yung dismissal proceedings, samantalang ang dami ko na pong kaso, Mr. Chair, na pinailan ng dismissal yung isang pulis na gumawa ng kalokohan, inabot ng taon. Taon. Na-promote pa. Hindi ma-dismiss. Pero itong taga-drug enforcement unit na-dismiss in a matter of month or months. Ang bilis. Siyempre, nung ma-dismiss na, kaya nung tanong kanina si Senator Tolentino, at large. Kung hindi nyo sana pinailan mo ng dismissal proceeding, nakahold sana siya ngayon sa PNP. Habang continuous yung inyong investigation at pagkalap ng ebidensya against him. Bakit yung dinismiss agad? Bakit yun agad ang pinuntiran niyo ma-dismiss para mapakawalan?
Your Honor, if I may.
Yeah, go ahead.
First of all, meron po tayong proseso, yung motu proprio investigation being conducted by RIAS, and meron pong timeline na sinusundan. So, nasunod namin yung timeline. Actually, sir, nadili pa nga ng konti yung pagka-dismiss niya. So, pasok po kami sa timeline. Hindi namin ito binilisan or nothing else. Wala naman po kaming balak na hindi sana i-dismiss, whatever. But we just follow the procedure. Kagaya ng sabi ko kanina,
Okay,
nadili pa
pero
nga po
sir, di
yung
ba hindi pa siya
pagka-dismiss
guilty?
namin sa kanya. Thank you
Suspect pa lamang siya, di po ba? As such, meron pa siya mga karapatan, di ba? So, why dismiss a person na you don't have enough proof na siya nga talaga yung kriminal, na siya talaga ay isang suspect. In fact, person of interest pa lamang siya. He's not even a suspect.
Your Honor, if I may again. Sir, yung admin case po kasi niya did not emanate from the criminal case na na-file. But yung case na na-file sa kanya sa RIAS is yung extramarital affairs po niya, Your Honor.
Inamin niya po ba na siya ay karelasyon niya itong beauty queen?
Sir, nung kausap ko po siya, nag-usap po kami. Tinanong ko po siya with regard to the criminal case. Nag-deny po siya. Pero kung nung tinanong ko po yung extramarital affair niya, hindi siya, sir, sumagot. So, immediately, sir, I ordered the RIAS 4A to conduct an investigation regarding dun sa extramarital affairs niya. So, true to it, sir, may mga ebidensyang nakuha yung RIAS natin. So, yun yung dahilan kung bakit natin siya dinismiss. Thank
I
you, Your Honor.
understand that, Mr. Chair. Pero kung ako po ang tatanungin sana, General, gagamit po ako ng tinatawag na diskarte. Mamaya ko na muna o isasantabi ko muna yung sinasabing extramarital affairs para sibakin siya. Nang sa gayon, nasa custody niyo itong suspect at marami pa kayong makukuha ang ebidensya na pwede siya madiin because he's just there in your custody. Di po ba? Kasi total dininay niya di ba? So instead of focusing on the extramarital affairs, why don't you just focus on him being a suspect of that crime? Yun po yung pinupunto ko rito. Now, kung siya po ay kung pinokus niyo po yung inyong investigation, him being a suspect, not him being immoral, then mas malaki po sana ang pakinabang ng ating PNP. Ngayon, napabilis po yung extramarital affairs at siya po na-dismiss. At large siya ngayon. If you need something from him, he can no longer be contacted. Who knows, baka tumakbo na siya ng kung saan lugar, lumabas ng bansa. Yun po yung point ko. Diba? Yung extramarital affairs, later na lang yun. Pwede naman yun it's just there. But this guy, he's already there. Hawak na natin, sir Diba? Wala siyang kawala. Kaso ang ginawa nyo, pinailan nyo ng dismissal, illicit extramarital affairs, kailangan siya pakawalan, di ba? Kasi wala na sa PNP. And then off he goes.